Tim Yates, Ridgeline Roofing and Solar. We're in Oronogo this afternoon. It's Friday, end of the week, and we're looking forward to a rainy weekend. So we were talking about a little bit about what to look for when your insurance company sends an adjuster out to your home to inspect your home. What should they actually be doing? So they get out of their car, they knock on their door, they introduce themselves, they tell you they're going to be inspecting everything. So at that point, what they should be doing is inspecting everything on your property. And it starts with maybe the front of your home. They usually go front, right, back, left, and they kind of, if they know what they're doing, they kind of keep it in that sequence. So front elevation, garage door, go up to see if your garage door has damage. Your garage door wraps. If they're metal, a lot of times they have damage. If they're painted, sometimes they're chipped. Gable end vents, windows, window screens. On your windows, you want to make sure that the plastic that your window's made of, the framing, isn't broken or cracked. And then the window screens themselves, they damage pretty easy. And from the ground, they also do the downspouts for your gutters and AC units. Typically, that's not something the insurance companies replace, but they pay to comb the fins out when the fins get damaged. We do see that a lot. So also, if you have fresh staining on your deck and it's damaged, within a couple of years, and also fences within a couple of years if you've got them stained or painted or anything of that nature. So then coming up on the roof, gutters definitely need to be inspected. We'll kind of show you a little bit of gutter damage, and then we also made a test square on this roof to show some of the hail damage. So test squares are 10 foot by 10 foot. Most companies require 8 viable hits in a 10 foot by 10 foot section. This one has way more than that. So what I did, Ed, if you want to kind of get a little zoom in on some of these dark spots, this is where the bruising is from the hail. I circled about 14 of them. So on this is front equals 14, and I put a plus because once you get over 8, you're pretty much good. So I just put, if I usually 10 to 14, I'll put that number in plus just to let the insurance company know there's actually more than that on this elevation. So front elevation, right elevation, back elevation, left elevation. If you're doing the front elevation, you have another elevation over here that's showing the front elevation, you don't have to do it twice, just once. And you can actually, if you have good representation on your job, you can actually have your roofing contractor come up and request this spot that they do their test square in. It shouldn't be a problem at all. So on your roof, you have the shingles, of course. You need to check and see. They need to check and see how many layers your roof is. All this ridge cap, these box vents. Can you see the box vents from there, Ed?
Yes.
Let me grab that real quick. I'll show them. So these box vents have pretty bad damage as well. They're all been caved in. They had big hail here. See those? You want to make sure on your pipe flashings, while they're up on the roof, or your contractor's up on the roof, that these neoprenes aren't busted out. Need some attention to keep you from leaking. And you can see the hail, how the hail came in from this direction. We're on the west side right now, which is the left elevation of this home. You can see all the hail damage on this. It's really severe. So obviously it's going to be worse on the side it came in on, as the side of the opposing side. And then the gutters. So I'll run down here and show you guys the gutters on this one real quick. There's more of that ridge cap that has damage across there. And then the gutters, you can see on this gutter, I tried to mark a couple of spots, but pretty severe. And gutters are just aluminum. Most gutters are just aluminum, so you can see the damage on it pretty easy. But that's kind of what they should be going over. And they should check everything on your property from the garage door to your grill cover. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.